A wonderful vacation. Last December, my family and I went on a vacation to a beautiful mountain town. We planned the trip for many weeks and were all very excited to go. The drive took several hours, but we enjoyed the view of the trees and hills. When we arrived, we stayed in a small cabin with a fireplace and wooden furniture. The air was fresh and cold, and everything was so quiet and peaceful. That first night, we sat around the fire, drank hot chocolate, and talked about our plans. Each day, we woke up early to explore new places and enjoy the fresh air. We went on long walks through the forest and took pictures of the snow-covered trees. One day, we saw a deer walking near our cabin, and it was a magical moment. We also went ice skating on a frozen lake, and it was a lot of fun. My little brother fell a few times, but he laughed and got back up. Being outside all day made us tired, but we felt very happy and free. At night, we cooked dinner together and played games around the table. My mom made soup, and we all helped to cut vegetables and clean up after eating. After dinner, we played card games, told stories, and listened to music. We didn't use our phones much, and it felt good to enjoy simple things. We spent real time together, and that made the vacation feel very special. Those moments showed me that the best times are with the people you love. When the vacation ended, we packed our bags and cleaned the cabin carefully. We took one last walk in the forest and said goodbye to the beautiful mountains. On the way home, we talked about our favorite parts of the trip. I wrote everything in my travel journal so I would never forget it. Now, every time I see a picture from that trip, I smile and feel warm inside. It was truly a wonderful vacation that I will always remember.